Okay, hi and welcome to this quick training. So after you sign up to your easyhits4u, which have hundreds of members in it, I'm going to show you how to surf and how to place your advertisement into the site. So after you sign up, what you want to do is click on website. After you click on website, you want to click on add a new website. After you click that, this is going to show you right here that there's different ways you want views, reviews, rewards. So what I'm going to do is going to put in the link right here. And then I'm going to come up with a title right here. And then what kind of language, I just leave it in English. You can put the amount of credit. I'm just, for demonstration, I'm going to just put 5 credit right here. What you want to do, you want to go down here. And then you want to hit this button right here. After you set up all of that. So it's going to load. It's going to submit. It's going to check to see if your website is working. So right here you can see it's a come from the bottom will become visible. Okay, so if you do not see your site, you click right here, do not see your site, and it's gonna report that your site is not working. If your site is working, you can see everything. Boom, right here, you click confirm because you can see the website below. So hit confirm real quick. And now your site is within the site. Now to get your credit so you can advertise your business, your website, all you gotta do is click right here. So after you click right here, that bar is gonna pop up. You're gonna see an advertisement below. And you see how it's loading right here. When it finishes loading, you're gonna see these things pop up right here. Now all you want to do is click on the matching one, and it's gonna give you a credit. Boom. See, here's the credits. It's gonna tell you how much sites you sold today. It's gonna give you bonuses and all of that. Okay, so after that we can go back here. So you can keep surfing how long you want, how much credit you need. The more you surf, more the advertisement, more sign up and leads you can get. So what I like to do, I like to also come over here. And if you have YouTube video or anything, you can click here. You can see my offers that I have here. It's going to come down a little bit. Okay, so that's